Offering versatile cooking with plenty of space for family meals, this Flavel gas cooker is perfect for households that need more space to cook. With an A+ energy rating, this gas cooker is energy efficient and won't cost you a fortune to run, so you'll save money on your utility bills. This double oven has over 70 litres of cooking space with a conventional gas cooker and variable grill, so you can cook more food at once, ideal for large family meals. An enamel interior is featured across the cavity of this cooker. Since it's easy to clean, you can save time and energy in the kitchen, spending more time cooking and enjoying your food, and less time cleaning up afterwards. 4 burners, a variable grill and conventional oven, you can cook up a storm for the whole family with this Flavel gas cooker.